In my quest to find the most compact, high quality camera setups for filming vlogs and videos, I've tested out tons of tripods, but I've never seen one like this before. This is a truly different, non standard tripod, and that's why I spent over $300 to buy it. It's called the Edelkrone Stand Plus, and in this video, I'll show you why it's earned a permanent spot in my camera gear collection. First off, unlike the typical camera gear that I gravitate towards, the Stand Plus is not the most lightweight or compact. In fact, it's one of the heavier tripods that I've ever owned, weighing in at 8.3 pounds. Now, by the way, there are a few different versions of this tripod. I have the V3 version, which is the smallest and lightest of the bunch. But because it's heavier, it does have a respectable max carrying capacity of 3 pounds. But its bigger counterparts can carry up to 6 pounds, so double the weight. Now, despite that relative heft, the Stand Plus is still fairly compact when it's folded up. It probably won't fit in the tripod holder of your camera bag, but you can still lug it around without much of a problem. Now, speaking of transporting it, this tripod does not come with a protective bag or a carrying case, which is a bummer. But the build material is fully aluminum, and I'm hoping that the coating holds up well over time. So, what makes this tripod so special? There are three main reasons. First of all, it's how it quickly and seamlessly unfolds compared to a standard tripod, where you have to unlock and extend three legs and maybe even the center column. Sure, some of the tripods out there are faster to deploy, but I've seriously never unfolded a tripod this quickly, and without having to fiddle with knobs or buttons. Although, speaking of, there is a single knob here, and that's for attaching your camera via a quarter 20 screw. You do it all by hand. You don't have to use any ball heads, Allen keys, or Arca Swiss plates. And if I ever want to adjust the camera angle or height, it only takes one or two small maneuvers, rather than having to fiddle with three tripod legs. So easy to use and no tools required. Pretty cool so far, huh? But the second reason is the main reason why I bought this tripod. And that is this tripod's ability to easily go into overhead mode to shoot top down or bird's eye shots. This is something that pretty much every tripod I've tested out there cannot do on its own. Some tripods, like the Peak Design and the Alonzi Coleman tripod, can shoot inverted for a top down shot. But then you're limited to where the tripod legs can spread and how tall they can go. Plus, it takes extra time to set up that inverted mode. With the Edelkrone Stand Plus, it is so much easier and faster to get into top-down mode, and I have way more flexibility in how I angle my shot. But there's one more reason why I love this tripod, and that is the built-in wheels on the base legs. So when I'm using a normal tripod, I have to physically pick it up to move it around, and this can get really tiring, especially if I have a big camera rig attached. With the Stand Plus, all I have to do is push it around and move it to my desired spot, and it is so easy. But for all the things that I love about it, there are some downsides. First is the relative size and weight. It's great that it can support heavier cameras, and I do use my Sony a7 IV and full frame lenses on it. But I also stick my iPhone and my DJI Pocket 3 on this tripod a lot too. And I would love to have a mini version for pocket cameras because I would definitely use it more often if that were the case. I also think it's a bummer that there's no protective carrying case included. You might be able to buy one separately, but then again, no carrying case kind of makes sense because this tripod is clearly intended to be used indoors or somewhere with flat floors. Because of the way that this base deploys, there's no way to adjust this tripod to be even on a non-flat surface. You know how tripod legs can be adjusted so that they can stand on an uneven surface? You can't do that with the Stand Plus. Not to mention, you wouldn't be able to take advantage of the built-in wheels on the legs. So it's purely intended to be an indoor tripod in its current form. So is this a must-have tripod for everyone? No. It's best used if you shoot mostly indoors, and especially if you want to shoot top-down shots with a larger camera setup. This definitely beats my old setup, which was basically me hunched over on a floor, trying not to fall over. So it's very essential for my top-down studio work. But if you're shooting outdoors, there are other tripods that I recommend. And you can see my current list of recommendations in this video here. You guys let me know what you think in the comments below. If you would try this tripod out or if there's another one that's catching your eye, let me know because I'm always on the hunt for new tripods. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.